Advanced math break, huh? That's why. So I feel when you will be free, you will be up to some mischief, right? I'm sure your parents must be waiting. When will advanced math start again? Oh God, this guy is like too free these days, right? See, 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 I just tried. See, Arjo, same with you. Acha, so last class, what was the last thing we did? We were talking about that rationalization and square thing. Yeah. Okay. Okay. So now, yeah, this is an important class. Then we will be doing. So last class, when I ended with one concept, which was like this: sum my 6 minus √5. What did I give? 6 minus 5 √2 ka whole square is equal to 86 minus 60 √2. But square root of 86 minus 60 √2 is not equal to, first of all, 6 minus 5 √2, but it is equal to 5 √2 minus 6. Is the logic behind this conclusion clear? Hmm? Hmm? Okay, now very critical part. Please try to understand well. If you lose it at the beginning, then you will have trouble. Okay. Now, so you know how to find the square of these things, right? But what if I ask you to do ulta? If I ask you to find square root of 7 minus 4 √3. Let's say if I tell you that you have to find this square root of 7 minus 4 √3. This is equal to what? Can you think of an answer? Just give 2 minutes. Think how can you achieve that? It's not that easy. Means not that easy to think. Once I tell, of course, it will be easy.
So should we send something or just think?
Hmm?
So should we send something or just think?
Think, or if you have some ideas, send. So just a small message for the people who are also part of advanced math. You guys have one late evening class, right? Tuesdays. The senior advanced math batch had two late evening classes, Monday and Thursday. Listen, so they gifted me this t-shirt for Teachers' Day. I received. You can understand why they might have gifted it. Good. So you did it pure guesswork? Oh, nice. It's not pure guesswork. It is nice. It is nice. Have you learned this before or very nice? You were able to figure out. Nice. Have you learned it before? But good. This is very good. I didn't expect anybody to be able to figure it out. Nice. Kunal.
Yes,
Kunal,
sir.
you didn't send me that self-assess score.
Oh, okay, sir. Sir, after my father comes, I'll send it.
Okay.
So it's
You've not
actually,
checked or what?
sir, I have checked it, but the thing is, the score sheet is with my father.
Pardon?
Sir, my father checked it. I did not.
Acha, you did not. No. I don't even understand what you have done. If you can come and explain. Okay, guys, I'm telling, I don't think anyone else is getting this. I've given 5 minutes, more than 5 minutes. Listen. So how to solve it? It's inspired from this, that square roots are very hard to solve. Unless you have whole square inside that. This is easy to solve or no? Or if you have something like a square plus b square plus 2ab. This is easy to solve. How much is it? Hello? A plus b. Do you get it? When you for sure know that the thing inside the square root is a whole square itself. Okay? Now this guy. Seven minus 4 root 3. It has a minus sign, so it cannot be of a square plus b square plus 2ab form, but it can be of the form minus 2ab. If you get it in this form, then you will be able to write a minus b or b minus a as the answer. This I have told you that how to decide a minus b or b minus a. One of them will be positive, one will be negative. Remember 86 minus 60 root 2 when we did, we got two answers. One as positive, one as negative. We selected positive, reject. So we will check if it's equal to a minus b or b minus a and then select the positive value, reject the negative value. But how to convert this guy into this form? That is the challenge. If you look at it, if I do something like that, a square plus b square becomes equal to 7 and 2ab becomes 4 root 3, then we are done. Yes or no? Now focus on 2ab equal to 4 root 3. It can be simplified as ab equal to 2 root 3. This you get it? Hello? Now see, here starts the game once. Now if a into b is 2 root 3, there are lots of possibilities. One possibility is a equal to 1, b equal to 2 root 3. Another possibility is a equal to 2, b equal to root 3. Another possibility is a equal to 4, b equal to root 3 by 2. There are infinite possibilities like this. Getting? We have to select that possibility which gives the first one. Ultimately, we need a pair of A and B which satisfies both the equations. This is the first equation, this is the second equation. We need a pair of A and B which satisfies both the equations. So by taking these possibilities, I am already satisfying the second relation. All these A into B is 2 root 3. If I take A as 1, B as 2 root 3, or A as 2, B as root 3, A as 4, and B as root 3 by 2, all this will give me 2 root 3. But I need one of these to satisfy this. You can check. First, I am checking A equal to 1, B equal to root 3, 2 root 3. Check what is A square plus B square. 1 square plus 2 root 3 whole square, which is 1 plus 12. Is it satisfying 1? No. Check second one with A equal to 1, sorry, A equal to 2, B equal to root 3. A square plus B square, 2 square plus root 3 ka whole square. 2 square is 4, root 3 whole square is 3. 4 plus 3, 7. Is this satisfying the first possibility? So our value of A and B which will satisfy this will be this. Okay. So now what can you say? You know now that this can be written as 2 square, that is A as 2, plus root 3 whole square minus 2 into AB, which is 2 into root 3. 2 into root 3. Yes or no? Now this gives you two values, 2 minus root 3 or root 3 minus 2. Which one is positive, which one is negative? 2 is bigger than root 3 or smaller?
Bigger.
Bigger, right?
Bigger.
2 is 4. Here smaller, 2 is bigger. So this is negative, reject, positive, select. So answer
Sir,
square root of 7 minus 4 root 3 is, yeah,
sir, in the previous page,
yeah, Nihal.
sir, do we like just do trial and error, or is there any?
There are other ways, but other ways also involve trial and error. Whatever I have told you is one of the best ways. There are other
So
ways.
like we have
We
to,
will
so like
learn
should
other
we have
ways
to
as well.
keep on, so like should we have to keep on doing trial and error till we get the possibility?
Wait. Too many people speaking. Obvious, please. Let Kunal, sorry, Nihal finish. Yeah, I'll say again.
Sir, like aren't there infinite possibilities? Like how will we find it? How will we find it?
So you should slowly you will be able to do it intelligently with some practice.
Okay.
And as I told you that there are other ways which I will teach you. If you get stuck, you can move to other ways. Okay? Yeah, Bhavya, what are you saying? Yeah, that's what we will do, but that will make a fourth degree equation, which will not be easy to solve. It's solvable. I mean, that's what our backup plan is. But most of the times this works. So that's why I want first I want people to learn this, because 90% times this will work. Only in very typical cases we will have to resort to that other way, which I will anyways teach. But I don't want people to use that as their primary weapon. I want this to be the primary weapon, because this is much faster, easier. Okay, do this, guys. Find square root of 27 minus 10 root 2. Your last test papers I have checked, right? Huh? The last test paper is unchecked. Means if I have not given, then it's not. The main batch test paper is not checked, right? Thank you. Tomorrow it will be checked because tomorrow I'm meeting Ramesh sir. So it will be checked tomorrow. I was just keep calculating in mind what all is pending. Sara correct. Kunal correct. 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 Shamla correct. Correct. Anish correct.
Okay, sir.
Nihal correct.
Okay, sir.
Rehant correct. What happened, Myra? What's the question then? Ashruta? Okay, then carry on. Carry on, carry on. I'm not being watched. Ishani, what happened? Who has not got, guys, too much time? Fine. Just 1 second. I have to check this one. Hello? Yes. Hello? Hello? I can't hear you. Hello? Hello? हाँ जी नहीं केवल जेई फाउंडेशन फिजिक्स केमिस्ट्री मैथ Okay, Akash, is that you? Yeah. Akash, it's fine.
Sir, can I use the washroom? Sir, can I use the washroom?
Yeah. Who has not got it, guys? Okay, Arjo, fine. Arjo, online, who has not got? Let me see. Rehant got, Nihal got, Anish got, Shambhala, Sarah, Kunal. Okay. Everyone got. Okay. Arjo, fine. So, how will you start? By comparing it with? So, what is a square plus b square? 2ab. So, ab 5√2. Now try a equal to what? B equal to, check a square plus b square, 1 plus 5√2 whole square, which is just 51. Pass, fail. Then a equal to 2. Think of it, Arjav. Now, if you're doing this, you will get a fraction here, b square. So a and a square is not a fraction. So if you add something which is not a fraction with a fraction, you will get a fraction only. But is the answer fraction? So is there any point taking it like this? Think, what is an intelligent choice? What is the most obvious choice? 5 and BS? Huh? Why 5√2 by 5? 5√2 by 5 is √2 only? Yes or no? Check a square plus b square. 5 square plus √2 square, which is 25 plus, which is 20. Pass, fail. So now this must be equal to a minus b or b minus a. So it's 5 minus root 2, or which value do we select? Got it? (34 plus 24 root 2). Now you should be able to use your brains if there is a plus sign, what to do. Correct. Anish, correct.
Okay, sir.
Correct. Correct. Sara, correct. Kunal, correct. Correct. Read the question. That's why you should not mark. See what was asked. Oh God, Arihan, what was asked? What did you have to find the root of? You have done most of it correctly with answers. Yeah. Shambhala, correct. Where? Okay, correct.
Sir, where did I go wrong?
Hmm?
Where did I go wrong?
Think, you are making a very, very, very silly mistake. What is asked? Correct. Correct. What's going on? Hmm? Shirt? Same? Same. Nihal, see what was the question? You guys like will mug up the process but not see what is asked. There is a plus sign here.
Oh, sir, my bad.
Arihan,
Sir, so you can do it anyway. Sir, I had a hard time calculating 3 root 2. Whether it was greater than 4.
Arihan, why is one correct and other wrong? Aren't the same?
Yes, sir. One.
Common sense. Acha, who has not got it? Ishani, okay. What will you compare it with? Guys, silent, please. I'm not able to hear her. Yeah. Yeah. 2AB is 24 root 2. So AB is now try. Correct, Akash. Okay, Rihan. Okay, Nihal. Yeah. Hmm? Hmm. Plus working or no? So what should it be? If A is 4, B is 3 root 2. 4 plus. This time plus. Why plus? Because you're comparing with this. Square root of this is A plus B or B plus A. But A plus B and B plus A both are same thing. So 4 plus 3 root 2 or 3 root 2 plus 4 doesn't matter. Okay.
So does that mean there are two answers for that?
Hmm?
Does that mean there are two answers for that?
No, both are same. 4 plus 3 root 2 and 3 plus 3 root 2 plus 4 are not differing from each other.
Yes.
What are you up to, Arjo? Hmm? Now let's see who can do it. Yes. Yep. Square root of 3 plus root 5. Acha, oh, no, not square root of square root, sorry. Did you find the first square root? So then why are you just wondering? You are not getting so thought of. Try to find mistake with what sir is doing. I mean this. Okay.
So which one are we supposed to solve?
Both are same thing.
Huh?
Find square root of 3 plus root 5. Second thing I am saying square root of 3 plus root 5 equal to what? Both are same thing.
No, sir. I mean, are we supposed to find the top one or the bottom one?
Both are same.
Sir, how? There's a square root.
Square root
Oh,
of 3
oh,
plus
my
root
bad, my
5.
bad. Sir,
This also means square root of 3 plus root 5.
Sir, my bad. I didn't read the square root one.
You can learn all advanced math, but no one can teach you common sense. Correct, Kunal? Kunal, how did you do it? I'm not getting your method. Your answer is correct, by the way. Don't worry about that.
Sir, there are two boxes. The one which is the wrong kind of box, and that has the both values.
Actually, you did hit and trial only.
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. Okay, I'm telling it, guys, listen. See, guesswork will work.
Sir, 1 second. Sir, I got it. I'm sending. Sir, I sent.
It's wrong. Kunal, Nihal, it's wrong. You can check that. You can square it back. You won't get this. Okay, guys. Now here I am telling you the other technique. Guesswork technique will work, but and I can tell you easy how to do easy guesswork here as well. But that's besides the point. There will always be some questions where you will get stuck. So it's better you should know the second technique as well. I will tell guesswork also in this. It's not a very hard guesswork, but I'm first telling the other technique. Okay. And other technique is actually same as what she was saying earlier. You compare it with this. Now you can say a square plus b square is equal to 3. And you say 2ab equal to root 5. Now, if the guesswork is not working, one of the ways is say b is equal to root 5 by 2a. Can I say that? And substitute it in the first equation. So instead of first equation was a square plus b square is equal to root 5. No? So in place of b, put this. Sorry, 3. My bad. 3. Okay. Now this becomes 4a power 4 plus 5 equal to 12a square. So 4a power 4 minus 12a square plus 5 equal to 0. Okay. I'm just copying it. Now this is 4th degree equation if you see, but you can easily solve it if you just make one substitution. Take a square as x. Then a power 4 becomes x square. So you can write it as 4x square minus 12x plus 5 equal to 0. Clear? Now I have taught you how to solve this. Take 4 common. Now I have taught you, right? Write it like this. This compare it with a square plus b square. This with minus 2ab. You will not be able to solve it by using split the middle term. Otherwise, we could have solved using split the middle term. So this is the other technique, that this term. Now you know what is a x. B square is 5 by 4, right? Sorry, this term does not need to be converted. B square is 5 by 4. So B is root 5 by 2. Right? Hello? Then 2ab is how much? 2ab is 2 into x into 5 by 2. So 5 root. Oh, sorry guys, what am I doing? This is stupid. Sorry guys, sorry. This is my bad, very stupid. So this 4 gets divided, like it 0 by 4, it will become 0. Why? We have to compare it with a square minus 2ab. Yeah, this is the comparison. So a equal to x, 2ab equal to 3x. Since a equal to x, b equal to 3x by 2a, which equals 3x by 2x, b becomes as 3 by 2. Now you add b square, which is 3 by 2 whole square, right, plus 5 by 4, and subtract b square.
Sir,
Yeah.
sir, how is a equal to x?
Who is this?
Sir, Arihant.
Arihant, we are comparing x square minus 3x with a square minus 2ab. So
Oh,
a square and x square are equal, so means a equal to x.
yes, sir.
10 by 2ab is 3x.
Okay, sir.
Huh? See, Myra, I'm doing it again on the next page, don't worry. X square minus 3x plus 5 by 4 equal to 0, yes or no? I am looking at first two terms and I am comparing it with a square minus 2ab. So if you compare, a square is same as x square. So that's how a becomes equal to x. Compare 2ab with 3x. b becomes 3x by 2a. Since a equal to x, b becomes 3x by 2x. X cancel 3 by 2. So we found the value of b. Now I'm just writing 5 by 4 equal to 0 so far. Okay. Now what I will do is I will take this x square minus 3x and I will left hand side pay, I will add 3 by 2 whole square. So basically I have taken a square minus 2ab and added b square. Left side becomes this. Then I had plus 5 by 4. Because left side pay I have added plus 3 by 2 whole square. Right side also I need to add 3 by 2 whole square. because that's when will the equation will remain same. So now this is a minus b whole square form. It was already there here. I was only focusing on this, but 5 by 4 was already there. If you're not understanding, you can take it another way as well. Keep x square minus 3x on same side. Send that minus 5 by 4 other side. Now compare it with a square minus 2ab. A is x, 2ab is 3x, b is 3x by 2a, which is 3x by 2x, which is 3 by 2. Add 3 by 2, add b square on both sides. That you get it. So you get x square minus 3x plus 3 by 2 square on this side and minus 5 by 4 plus 3 by 2 square on other side. Now left side becomes x minus 3 by 2 whole square. Right side becomes minus 5 by 4 plus 9 by 4. So x minus 3 by 2 whole square becomes 4 by 4, which is 1. Okay. Now bring it on left side. This is correct, right? Yeah. Okay. Bringing again. Now what can I write? X minus 3 by 2 whole square minus 1 square equal to 0. 1 can be written as 1 square. Now apply a minus b, a plus b. Okay. By the way, that tells me this would have been solved. Let's split the middle. Now this you get x minus half and x minus 5 by 2 equal to 0. Okay. Which gives x equal to half or x equal to 5 by 2. Myra, you get this how x is equal to half or 5 by 2. But remember what was x? We had earlier substituted this. A square was x. So we get a square is equal to half or a square is equal to 5 by 2. So a equal to 1 by root 2 or a equal to root 5 by root 2. I will also get negative values, minus 1 by root 2, but we can reject them because this is not the goal. The goal is this. And we know the answer is positive only because there is a positive sign. So we get 1 by root 2 plus root 5 by root 2 or root 5 by root 2 plus 1 by root 2. Remember? See, we found A, right, as 1 by root 2 or root 5 by root 2. B will be same thing actually. A square plus B square originally was that 7. Can you see? A square plus B square was, see Myra, A square plus B square was 3. Who is it? Who are you? New guy? Your name, please. Acha, Vian, your time was 7:15, Vian. You are a few minutes early. So I will see you at 7:15. Can you wait outside if you don't mind? And I think you used to live on 9th floor here, so I think you know this. Yeah. So if A equals, see, we got two possible values of A, right? You will be seeing one pattern. If A equal to 1 by root 2, what happens? You get 1 by root 2 whole square plus B square is equal to 3. 1 by 2 plus B square is 3. So B square is 3 minus 1 by 2. B square is 5 by 2. B is root 5 by root 2. So if A is 1 by root 2, you will get B as, which is nothing but the second value of A. On the other hand, if you put A equal to root 5 by root 2, you will get root 5 by root 2 whole square plus B square is equal to 3. 5 by 2 plus B square is equal to 3. B square is equal to 3 minus 5 by 2. B square is equal to half. B equal to 1 by root 2. So you get it. If when you get two values of A, actually you can take one of them as A and second as B. That's the shortcut basically. So this
Sir, is this true for all
yeah,
kind of
yeah, all of this type.
Yes, sir. Then.
So you get 1 by root 2 plus root 5 by root 2 as the answer. Getting?
So when you get two values of 2, that means you can like take the other as B
Yeah,
in every case.
in such questions, yes.
Okay.
Okay, guys, now telling you the guessing way. How to guess this. So A square plus B square is 3. Notice this A square plus B square is not a fraction. Yes or no? And 2AB is root 5 by 2. So, sorry, root 5. So AB is root 5 by 2. Now the problem is, guys, that the A and B, if you take like this, A equal to root 5, B equal to half. Or you take A equal to root 5 by 2, B equal to 1. All this for sure will not work because A square will be a whole number, B square will be a fraction. Here, A square will be a fraction, B square will be a whole number. So fraction plus whole number will never give you a whole number. When do you get a whole number? Either both of them are whole numbers or both of them are fractions. Now, it's not possible in this case that both of them are whole numbers. So both of them must be fractions, and that also both of them must be like fractions. So what are your choices then? If you want to make them like fractions, you will have to split the denominator equally. See, numerator product A into B root 5. B is, this is root 2 and root 2. Now what happens? A square is 5 by 2. B square is 1 by 2. A square plus B square, 5 by 2 plus 1 by 2. Like fractions, can you see? That's how you get a whole number. So the thing, splitting such things is when you get a fraction AB as a fraction, the way to split is that you have to split both of them as fractions. If you are getting a whole number here. And I told you a backup technique. If this does not work, then I told you that what is the backup. For example, I'm giving one more question. You will have to, most likely you will have to solve it using backup. It will be hard. But you can try whichever way. One by 2 plus root 2 by 3. Akash, it's not visible properly. Yeah, you
Sir, I
can
have
see.
sent
Right,
it again.
it's correct. And did you use guesswork? Yeah.
Sir, I've sent it again.
Okay, checking Akash. It's correct, Akash. What happened? Yeah, it is fine till here. Yes. You're almost solving it. You're very close to solving it. Yeah. So, Arihant, what is the answer? Answer is missing. Process is there.
Sir, I'm confused now. I don't know what to do.
Huh? You found A and B, na?
Yes, sir.
So, what should be the answer? Arihant, correct. Okay, people who have got it may leave. And in fact, people who have not got it may also leave. I will continue with this problem next class. What is the final answer? Yeah, it is correct.
Bye, sir.
Sarah, I'm checking your work. Sarah, it's A and B are correct, but yeah, final. Correct, Sarah.